se fue mundial. A mí hay que bailarme todos los días, tú no me puedes pichar. Yo sé que te va a gustar, tú te pones de espalda, que tu papi se quiere vaciar. Y es que esto se fue mundial. A mí hay que bailarme todos los días, tú no me puedes pichar. Yo sé que te va a gustar, tú te pones de espalda, que tu papi se quiere vaciar.
Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave. Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave. Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave. Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave.
Hi everyone, today I will be teaching you guys how to dance Suave. Okay, so first, as always, we're gonna start with realigning. If your body is out of alignment a little bit here and there, just do the newest work. Call in energy from the front, up front, but up, middle and front, all the way down, to the back, overflow up out of your arm, all the way out of the entire everything is overflow so much it's come back and then boom. That will realign you automatically. Your shoulder will be down, your neck will be elongated, your spine and core will be activated. Everything will be like, let's do one more round, okay? Up the front, down the back, overflow up, overflow out, overflow in, overflow up, all the way. Connect up, boom, go down, done. Okay? So you're gonna do that 10 times in your mind without me talking. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wherever it feels tight, it's supposed to be realigning by itself. Try to hold this form as long as possible. If not, use your energy again and again. Now we're gonna start with the routine. First, it's gonna be hips. Hip down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you don't let your belly out like me. Continue to have that hold in your mind. Go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now gonna be the hand. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You're gonna go 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Each time you count, you go in. Okay? Let's do one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8. Now 1, leg go in like this, and this one go 1. Hand go down. Okay, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You go down. When you go down, your hip go in. So the leg gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The shoulder gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Try to have the accent on the hips. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you go again from the top. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Repeat. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now you're gonna go Suave now. Now you're gonna go out this way, whoop, with the and hand, whoop and whoop and whoop, whoop and hoop and hoop and hoop, hoop and hoop and hoop and hoop, hoop and hoop and hoop and hoop, out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. Yeah. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Suave. Hold your form. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and push back, push back. Only one time. Push back. And then another one. You're gonna go, your hip gonna go down and down and down and down. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Suave, suave. Oh, this one is hard. Okay, this side I can do. When you come back to this line right here. Yes. So you go down and down and down and down and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay, let's try from the top, shall we? Let's go. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. One is this one definitely. This side I'm a little bit better. This side I have to practice. But that's the point. We are in training for a reason. This side is hard because when I push this right here, my energy flow in the left is not good. So you see, it doesn't flow back up. It kind of stuck. But this one, see, it's flow up. So, oh yeah, it's better now. Now that I flow it up. So it's about energetic flow in the body, whether we can do certain move or not. And if you find some block, like your muscle doesn't move, just imagine the flood of golden warm, bright, warm light, higher power, go boom. Oh, a little better. Alright. So that's the basic. But if you want to, like, you know, use a lot of muscle control, then you add on your intensity of how you hold your muscle. You got what I mean? Like, you're not doing this, you're doing that's how you get lean and get ripped and get strong when you move. I will practice that too. So thank you so much for today. I hope I'm being a help so you can catch on to this trend. Okay, last one, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo! 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! See you next time. Bye.
Esto se fue mundial. A mí hay que bailarme todos los días, tú no me puedes pichar. Yo sé que te va a gustar. Tú te pones de espalda, que tu papi si quiere vaciar. Y que esto se fue mundial. A mí hay que bailarme todos los días, tú no me puedes pichar. Yo sé que te va a gustar. Tú te pones de espalda, que tu papi si quiere vaciar.
Yo te doy lo que tú quieras, bailame en el tubo suave. Yo te doy lo que tú quieras.